Are you planning a trip to Las Vegas for a bachelor or bachelorette party? You're trying to go through the different hotel options, figure out which rooms or suites will be the best for your group trip, but you just can't figure out which room or suite you should choose and which hotel will be best? Let me help you. Are you planning a trip to Vegas for a significant other? You want to surprise them and give them this wow factor, make it a memorable trip, but you can't decide where you should go and eat, what activities you should do to leave that long-lasting impression? Let me help you. You're planning for a guy's trip or you're planning for a girl's trip. You want to stay at a hotel that's going to be around a lot of different things. You want to go to the clubs, but you don't know if certain clubs have guest lists, or you consider getting bottle service, but you don't know which clubs are worth the money to spend for getting a table. Let me help you. Planning a trip to Las Vegas seems very simple, and it can be if you know exactly what to look for and if you know what things are popular and what are the hot spots to go to. But for a lot of people, when it comes to trying to figure out which hotel to stay at, which hotel is worth the money, which hotels are not worth the money, and then which rooms you should choose to accommodate everyone in your group, it can become overwhelming. Trying to figure out which activities to leave that lasting impression for someone, whether it's a birthday, a proposal, a lot of those things with so many things to do in Vegas can become overwhelming. So that's where I step in and I take the load off of your hands. In the description, there's a link for you to book an appointment for a travel planning consultation with me. There's a simple form that you'll fill out when you're booking the consultation. I will go through that form. I will look for all of the hotels in your budget. I will compare the different options based on what you submit through the form. I'll figure out which activities will be best suited for you and your group during your trip. I'll check out all of the club information, and then we will have a 40-minute consultation and we'll talk about all this information, and I'll get everything put together for you. So whenever you're ready to unload that stress and let me step in and handle everything for you, click the link in the description to book your consultation, and I'll be waiting to help you whenever you're ready.